Doctors are shocked. This food has 20 times more protein than eggs. Senior health. What if I told you there's a tiny everyday food that has 20 times more protein than eggs, and most people have no idea it exists? Imagine how that could change your energy, your strength, and even your ability to fight disease as you age. Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because everything you'll hear in this video is fact-checked by health researchers and backed by real science, not myths or internet rumors. Now here's why this matters. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, our bones get weaker, and energy becomes harder to hold on to. That's why the right foods can make all the difference between feeling tired and fragile, or living with strength, vitality, and confidence each day. And today, I'm revealing 3 protein-packed superfoods that not only beat eggs, but also deliver minerals, vitamins, and healing compounds that protect your heart, kidneys, and brain. And here's the kicker. At the very end, I'll share one simple, powerful tip that can double the benefits of these superfoods if you eat them the right way. It's something most people completely overlook, but it can be the key to turning everyday meals into powerful medicine for your body. You don't want to miss this. Number 1. Pumpkin seeds. Let's talk about a tiny superfood that often gets overlooked: pumpkin seeds. You might have seen them sprinkled on bread, added to salads, or even roasted as a snack. But did you know these little seeds pack a protein punch that's hard to beat? In fact, gram for gram, pumpkin seeds can offer up to 20 times more protein than an egg. That's right. Something so small carries an incredible amount of nutrition power. What makes pumpkin seeds so special isn't just the protein. They're also rich in magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats that help protect your heart, lower blood pressure, and keep your bones strong. For seniors especially, this is a food that checks all the boxes. It supports muscle health, helps keep energy levels stable, and even promotes better sleep thanks to their natural tryptophan content. It's like nature's little multivitamin wrapped up in a crunchy seed. And here's the best part. You don't need to eat a mountain of them to get the benefits. Just a small handful, maybe 2 tablespoons a day, can give your body a clean, plant-based protein boost without the heaviness that sometimes comes from meat or dairy. That makes them perfect for anyone trying to stay light, energized, and healthy as they age. Another great thing about pumpkin seeds is how easy they are to add into your meals. Toss them into your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or sprinkle them over roasted vegetables. They add a gentle crunch and a nutty flavor that makes food not just healthier, but also more satisfying. And if you like snacking in the evenings, roasted pumpkin seeds can replace salty chips or cookies while actually strengthening your body instead of breaking it down. So, the next time you're at the store, don't pass by that little bag of pumpkin seeds. Think of it as fuel for your muscles, your heart, and even your brain. Simple, affordable, and powerful. Pumpkin seeds are proof that sometimes the smallest foods carry the biggest health secrets. Number 2. Lentils. Now let's shine the spotlight on lentils, a humble little legume that has been feeding people around the world for thousands of years. You might not think much of them at first glance, but lentils are truly a powerhouse when it comes to nutrition, especially protein. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils can provide nearly 18 grams of protein. That's more than 3 times the amount in a single egg. And it comes packaged with plenty of fiber, vitamins, and minerals your body will thank you for. What makes lentils so amazing is how they give you steady, lasting energy. Unlike foods that spike your blood sugar and leave you tired soon after, lentils digest slowly thanks to their rich fiber content. This helps keep blood sugar stable, which is especially important for seniors managing conditions like diabetes. That same fiber also supports digestion, keeps cholesterol in check, and even protects your heart. So every spoonful of lentils is working quietly to strengthen your health from the inside out. Another reason lentils stand out is how affordable and versatile they are. You don't have to spend a fortune on fancy supplements or exotic foods. A simple bag of lentils from your local market can be turned into hearty soups, delicious curries, fresh salads, or even veggie burgers. They cook quickly compared to other beans, making them perfect for anyone who wants a nutritious meal without spending hours in the kitchen. And here's something seniors especially will appreciate. Lentils are naturally low in fat, but high in essential minerals like iron, folate, and potassium. Iron helps keep your energy up and prevents fatigue. Folate supports brain and nerve health, and potassium works wonders for controlling blood pressure. Together, they help you stay active, alert, and strong. One of the best parts about lentils is that they're gentle on the stomach yet deeply satisfying. You can enjoy them with rice, mix them into a stew, or even try sprouted lentils in a fresh salad for a burst of extra nutrients. No matter how you eat them, you're giving your body clean, plant-based protein that supports muscle maintenance, keeps bones strong, and even helps reduce the risk of chronic disease. So, the next time you're planning a meal, think about adding lentils to your plate. They're simple, filling, and incredibly powerful. Proof that good health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, the foods that do the most for us are the ones that have been right in front of us all along. Number 3. Quinoa. Now let's talk about quinoa, a tiny grain that has earned the title of superfood, and for very good reason. At first glance, quinoa might look like rice or couscous, but the truth is, it's in a league of its own when it comes to nutrition. What makes quinoa so unique is that it's one of the few plant-based foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids. That means it's a complete protein, something usually found only in animal foods like meat, fish, or eggs. For seniors who want to cut down on heavy meats but still keep their muscles strong, quinoa is truly a game changer. Just 1 cooked cup of quinoa gives you about 8 grams of clean protein, along with a rich supply of fiber, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants. Unlike white rice or refined grains that can spike blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish, quinoa digests slowly, giving you long-lasting energy and helping you feel satisfied without overeating. That's especially important for keeping weight in check and supporting heart health as we age. But quinoa isn't just about protein. The magnesium inside works to relax your blood vessels and lower blood pressure. The fiber helps keep your digestion smooth, and the antioxidants protect your cells from damage that leads to aging and chronic disease. It's almost like each spoonful of quinoa is whispering to your body, "I've got you covered." Another wonderful thing about quinoa is how versatile it is. You can enjoy it warm or cold, in savory dishes or even sweet recipes. Use it as a base for salads. Mix it into soups, swap it for rice, or even try it as a breakfast bowl topped with fruits and nuts. The nutty, slightly chewy texture makes every bite feel satisfying while still being gentle on the stomach. And here's something many people don't realize. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it perfect for those with sensitive digestion. For seniors who may struggle with bloating or gut issues, quinoa provides the nourishment without the discomfort. Plus, its high iron content keeps your energy level steady, and its potassium helps maintain a healthy heart rhythm. So, if you've been searching for a wholesome, plant-based food that fuels your body, strengthens your muscles, and supports your overall health, quinoa deserves a permanent spot in your pantry. It proves that eating well doesn't have to be boring or bland. It can be simple, delicious, and deeply nourishing all at once. Summary. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We uncovered 3 incredible superfoods that quietly outperform eggs when it comes to protein. Each one packed with powerful nutrients to protect your heart, boost your energy, and keep your muscles strong as you age. These aren't exotic or hard-to-find foods. They're simple, affordable, and can fit right into your everyday meals. And when eaten consistently, they can truly transform the way you feel. Remember, every small change you make adds up. Choosing these nutrient-rich foods over empty calories isn't just about living longer. It's about living better, with more strength, more vitality, and more peace of mind about your health. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more fact-checked health insights designed especially for seniors. And don't forget to share this with someone you love. They deserve to know these life-changing secrets too. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.